So welcome back, guys, to another video on the Passive Investor channel. And yeah, man, I'm back with another video on this time it's about crypto lending on the Kucoin exchange. So before I get into that, I just wanna like why Kucoin. So Kucoin is a top altcoin exchange which supports over 600 plus tradable assets, and it's known as the People's Exchange because it's built for all types of investors. You can be big or small. KuCoin will humbly, help you in this crypto landscape. If you guys did not yet, go check out my video on how to earn while learning also on the KuCoin app. And yeah, so KuCoin is really here to help you guys out, man. It's one of the top 5 crypto trading platforms out there, and their app was named the best crypto app of 2022 for enthusiasts by the Ascent. So yeah, man, KuCoin they mean business, guys, and this is why I'm doing it on the KuCoin app, or because it's a very reputable exchange, and their app is really easy to use, man. I've been running through it and finding so many other features. Just look at all these features, guys. Like, there's so much here, man. And sure, some of these things is like free money, guys. I don't even lie. Go check out my earning and learning YouTube video. So yeah, man. KuCoin, why KuCoin lending? Well, it's one of the best choices to make for passive income, and we are just a passive investor, man. We about that passive income, guys. So yeah, man, it's great for passive income for holders and investors, and it supports more than 180 digital assets in crypto lending. So you can lend BTC, USDT, which are like some of the top choices, that you can lend out, but there's like 180 others that, if you have those coins, you could also lend them out here. And there's like two lend modes that you can use. There's automatic lending, where you just like set and forget. And then there's the one where you set up your interest like manually, your interest rate. So yeah, I'm going for that auto, man. It's not really passive if you there every day, but yeah, we're gonna go for the auto option. But yeah, guys, let's get into it, man. So yeah, so I was basically on the home page here of the app, and yeah, basically you just go into the more over here. Then you find some quick access guide with a whole lot of options depending on what you want to do. You can go for the bonuses. There's the finance where we're about to go, and you can obviously trade since KuCoin is a really big exchange. And then there's assets, P2P bank card. Actually, that's how you can get your money in. So you can use a debit card, I believe. But I sent my USDT over from another exchange called Altcoin Trader. It's like a South African exchange. If you guys want me to do a video on Altcoin Trader, I can also do that for you guys. Just let me know in the comments. I think I'm gonna open up the comments for this video. But yeah, guys, so yeah, I basically sent my USDT because that was where I bought my crypto, and then I sent it over here to KuCoin because KuCoin has such a large variety of assets, unlike Altcoin Trader. So yeah, guys, so you go to the finance section, and in the finance section you can see there's KuCoin Earn, there's crypto lending, there's KuCoin Pool, there's the affiliate link. Oh, by the way, guys, speaking of affiliate, my referral link, if you guys want to open up a KuCoin account, you can find it in the description below. And if you have any questions on how to open your KuCoin account or how to do the lending, just hit me up in my Telegram group. the Passive Investor Official, which will also be linked in the description. I'm always ready and available to help you guys out there. I know I do a whole lot of Forex things there, but I'm moving into the crypto space now. And yeah, if you guys want to ask me anything about Kucoin and lending or anything else, maybe about the earning and learning, I'll definitely be there and will be able to answer any of your questions. So yeah, we come here to the crypto lending because this is what we want to do. And yeah, just another note, guys, if you want to do this, you must have a KuCoin account. Hence why I just plugged the referral link for you guys to open an account up. And yeah, so once you have your KuCoin account opened up, then you can either, use your credit or debit card, buy some crypto, said you could get USDT, BTC, whatever you like. Or you could do it like what I did, which was basically send crypto from another wallet to KuCoin. So once you have your assets in your KuCoin wallet, then we go into Lend USDT. So your assets have to be in your main trading wallet, your main trading account, sorry. So for me, I want to lend out my mana. It's been sitting here for quite some time now. You know me, I'm about that hodl life, man. So yeah, but hey, why not while you hodl, make some extra interest, make more mana, man. So basically, yeah, I want to lend out my mana. So let's lend this mana out. And you see, guys, I have like 77.7 mana in my account. It's not the biggest. I'm not a whale yet. But we are gonna get there. Anyways, guys, so basically you just put in the amount that you would want to lend. It doesn't have to be the full amount. I'm putting the full amount in because, I'm not gonna be touching this mana anytime soon until the price is right. So in the meantime, while prices are down, why not make more mana, right? So yeah, this mana is already on my main account, because if you see transfer here, this transfer button is basically if there is cash in your trading account, for example, then you could take your mana from that account, or maybe from your cross margin account, then you could take your assets from those accounts, because KuCoin has a whole different set of accounts, but yeah, I could get into that on a whole different video if you guys want. But yeah, anyways, so my mana is already on my main account, my main account. So all we need to do now is, for how long do we want to lend this out? So as for me, I'm a hodling type of guy. If you want to be quick in, quick out, you could choose 7 days, leave those the 2 other days, the 14 and the 28, unchecked. Or you could check for the 14 days if you want, or for 14 and 28, or for all three like me, because it also helps, because then if someone just wants to lend out, wants to borrow, sorry, your funds for like 7 days, they can get to it. If they want it for 14 days, they can also get to it. If it's for 28 days, they can also get to it. But if you say you're only lending out for 28 days, someone who wants to lend it out for 7 days can't really necessarily borrow those funds. So yeah, me, I'm going for all of them, because I want to really lend this money out. And then for the daily interest rate, so we can choose between 0 and 0.2%. I think I will go with the highest, just to see how this will go. This is my first time doing this, guys. And yeah, so note, the system will automatically lend out the available funds at the priority interest rate for you. If the current priority interest rate is lower than your preset minimum day rate, the system will place the lending order at your preset one. So basically, the system will auto lend for me, guys. And yeah, everything is gonna be sorted on my end. So I don't need to always check up on my KuCoin and manually, do these things. It's all gonna be auto. So once you're done with that, you've chosen your minimum day rate and all that is set, put in, then you just enable auto lend. So priority interest rate is 0.2%, reserved amount is 77.79, and you can, if you guys are watching this and you would like to borrow mana from your boy, you can do that for 7 days, 14 days, or for 28 days, guys. So that is basically it. I think once the borrowers start borrowing my stuff, and then the lending history will have some information. But for now, it's it's empty, and you could always disable auto lend and get your funds back at any time. KuCoin will doesn't hold on to your funds, so if you want to stop lending, you can lend them at any time. And another cool thing that I was reading about before I did all this was, if by any chance a borrower doesn't have the funds to pay you back, then you could then your funds won't go like missing or nothing like that. So if the person who borrowed your funds can't pay back, what will happen is whatever collateral they put down is what will go to your account, and then the rest will be covered by KuCoin's treasury, if I'm not wrong. If you guys know more than me, hey, put this info in the description or in the comments for those of us that are learning or are new to this crypto space. But anyways, guys, yeah, this was the KuCoin lending. So I just lent all of my mana right there. And yeah, man, I think I might do a follow-up video for you guys just to show you like what type of interest am I getting, what type of money am I making, and so on. So yeah, guys, thanks again for tuning in. This was another one from the Passive Investor. If you guys have any comments, questions, just put them in the description or in the comment section. Or better yet, catch me on my Telegram group, because I'm really way more active there, which will be in the description. I'll also pin some more articles on crypto lending on KuCoin in the description as well, just for those of you guys who are new to crypto and you really want to do a deep dive, so you learn it from the experts. But anyways, guys, thank you for checking out the vid. Please subscribe, share, and yeah, man, see you guys on the next video, guys.